Just wanted to make a quick video about a new area of Google Ads that was released pretty recently. I think in the last week or so. It's December 14th, 2023. This area is actually in the extensions section under assets. We now have the option to add headlines to our extensions. You might be wondering, what does that mean? Because headlines and descriptions are part of the ad copy themselves. In addition to the headline and description options that you have in your ads regularly, these headlines can be inserted into any of your active ads. Now, you got to be careful with this stuff, because if you have a structure that you like to use with your ad copy, as I do, I like to have keyword optimized headlines pinned to position 1. You would have to make sure that whatever choice you choose for headlines that will be added to all of your selected campaigns makes sense with all of the variations available in those campaigns. However, I actually think this is most useful as a way to monitor the performance of ad copy that you're currently using. What does that mean? Well, historically, Google has been very cryptic about giving you access to data as it relates to the performance of individual copy features. When you get a conversion, it will not tell you which headlines and descriptions were present for the person that converted. Well, guess what? Now there's a hack that you can use in Google Ads to monitor the performance of individual headline types. I'll show you how to do it. Click on Add Headline, click on the campaign, click Done, and then I've got another tab where I am actually going into one of the ads. This is for our account, so I'm fine with showing it. I'm going to copy that headline and paste it here. I'm actually going to pin this one to the second position, just because if I turn it on, I don't want it to overlap with those keyword optimized headlines. So click Save. And then boom, you can actually see the stats for ads that have shown this headline. So I'm going to do this for all of our headlines. Save, done, save. As you can see, we're populating data. One annoying thing, you can only have 3 of these options active at any given time. So at a certain point, you've got to pause the headlines to add more. Done. Save. Click into this so I don't have to choose a campaign every time. This is really useful because you can see here, we're already seeing a couple of these are outperforming others. Some of them aren't being shown very much, right? Like this is actually one of my favorite headlines that we made, and it's only gotten 3 impressions. Boom. So super useful. The ability to just see which headlines have a higher click-through rate is in itself incredibly impactful, and it can help guide you to determining what the best A/B tests are going to be. Quickly, I'll just show you how to do this with descriptions, right? Same deal. Let's have a quick look at performance here. These are trickier to analyze because I have a lot of descriptions that have subtle terminology shifts. We use marketing as a way of talking about ourselves in some versions, and in some we don't. So you got to keep an eye on that, and you've got to add every version, no matter how subtle the difference is. So, huge, potentially game-changing change to the Google Ads interface. Going forward, it's going to be necessary to add every headline and description variation to your campaigns as well in this section, so you can monitor the performance of these individual assets. It's the only way to take advantage of this super cool new feature. And here's a little hack for showing you how to do that. Let me know what you think about the video. If you have any feedback, or if you have any ideas about other ways that you can exploit this new cool feature.